I used Tulip on a previous project and I was very pleased. They came in, they helped me assess the situation and jumped right in and worked me through all the details, and we did it in a pretty timely manner, so I was happy to have him come and look at this project as well. From the time I started talking about it and thinking about it, I stalled on my side, and so when I came back and was ready, I was pleased that Oran had room in his schedule and we jumped right into it. And so that was very helpful to me to make sure that, I stayed on my, personal timeline. And overall, the process was great. I was very pleased that we hit certain deadlines that I needed to hit. And we also moved ourselves around between houses. They helped make sure that we stayed comfortable, really respected, personal space and things like that. So I was really pleased with the process overall.
So we made here a complete remodeling, full kitchen remodeling, bathrooms, flooring throughout. In the kitchen, we did a custom cabinetry, and you can see how the countertop is very slim without the edge. The client wants to have a special design in this kitchen for the cabinetry, so we try to make it work. So in here, in this bathroom, it used to be a tub, so we converted it to be walk-in shower with a special stone, the shower wall, and then plaster on each side of the shower wall and also on the shower pen. In this bathroom, that's the master bathroom. The client wants to have a tub, a walk-in tub, and then also a walk-in shower next to it. As you can see, in the walk-in shower, curbless shower, so no curb, that's how the client wanted to have it. Then you can see here we have a divider, also custom made, with the cane webbing between the vanity to the toilet. Here it used to be a garage. We converted that to what we call ADU. Okay, it's a 1-bedroom suite, and we'll show you that from the inside. ADU kitchen is also custom cabinetry, with flat doors, same style of countertop as you can see here, right? So it's not like, the thicker edge. Installed these French doors. Obviously, we painted everything. So in this bathroom is also curbless. Same idea like before, plaster. All the shower walls are plasters.
So I'm really pleased with how things came out and that I made the decision to work with Oran and Tulip again. I would definitely recommend Tulip organization and working with Oran. It's been a really pleasant experience, and I'm happy with the quality and the output of the project.